guys, welcome to Romans 13. So these Ozark trail knives here, they come with replaceable blades. And this one I used in the summertime for harvesting game. So any kind of little animal where I had to get the pelt off or anything. Went through a lot of squirrels. They damaged the syrup lines out there. So ate a lot of squirrels. It was a pretty good time. But this guy got kind of dull and I'm not really looking forward to sharpening it up. I just want to reutilize it because it is like a razor blade. It's like a replacement razor. So what I was thinking was another urban Bagh nakh. This is like a pinky, and this is like an index finger ring. So I want to try to get these spaced out just right for my hand size. You guys can do this for your own hand size. And I have to line it up like this, line this guy up like this. That's where a dowel's going to come in. So we got this wooden dowel. You guys can just harvest a stick or use a doggy bag. I'm always showing you how to use the inserts to the doggy bags to do improvised weapons. But yeah, I think that we can line this up like this. That'll do pretty good. And then we can have this guy here and this guy here, and we can just use hot glue if we want. Or I also have that Scotch glue that was $1, and it's been an amazing glue. So it's going to be going linear. You're going to have to adjust how you want your rings to set. This one's got the Lord's Prayer on it. I already know it by heart. So set that there, and that'll be good to go. Okay guys, so we used the blade, and I used the bottom of the blade because I figured that was the sharpest end. But all I did was get a split in there. Then I held the stick onto the metal, rode it all the way down to the little scoop that it has, and then just brought it up. So that's going to hold that in place. Then I'm going to drop a bead of hot glue all the way along this guy, and that's going to secure that in place. So that's going to be kind of nice. Then I need to decide what distance I want my rings at, and this stuff here is no joke at all. So yeah, the Scotch liquid super glue, this was only $1. This is the baddest glue I've ever used. Dollar store items are awesome, especially for like their dollar duct tape. If you guys can find that stuff where it like delaminates, that is the best kind of duct tape. If you had to use that for restraints for like a bad guy or something that was like doing some crime, God forbid they're smart enough to use it on you, because it's going to be really hard to do the thing where you have to explode past your hips to get out of it. So dollar store, Romans 13 approved. Way better than the inflationary store stuff. So that guy's on the floor. I'll pick that up later. But I think I want my cross facing out. It's decorative. And then I got this little wood pinky ring, and I left just a little bit of room because I didn't know how much of this I was going to need. So, but I also wanted to be able to be hidden in the hand. Okay, so I got a little bit of Scotch super glue. I'm just going to call it Loctite through the film though, because that's what I usually call it. But just right there at that tag, and then the rest of the way I'm going to do the hot glue because it's giving us a gap. Okay, there we go. So now it looks like just ordinary rings. Didn't get my cross straight up and down like I wanted to, but that's okay. So there's our urban Bagh nakh. Hey guys, so we got this done. You can see you got the 2 rings on there, and it is a great stealth weapon. It's sticking out just a little bit, but I can bring my thumb over here for that, kind of cover it up. But when it's go time, it's go time. I mean, see the blade is in your hand, and you're ready to use it. Booyah. Stand this guy up. Completely split all the way down the middle, dude. It's over with. Nice. Very easy to do. Very simple self-defense weapon. Looks very classy too. Looks like rings. You guys can pull this off in no time. A little bit of super glue to hold everything initially, and then I went over with hot glue to really get it on there. So that's great. And it's basically feeling waterproof right now, but I am going to dry it. Cool.